So eighth grade, this is to show you how to split your screen. So if you wanted your Google Meet screen to be part of what you see and the speech on the other half, I'm going to show you. What I have in front of me is just an open tab thing so that you can see what happens. Up in the top corner, um, up in the top right-hand corner, there are three icons. I'm not sure if you can see my cursor, but there's this little line, and then there's this box, and there's the X. Obviously, you don't want to X it out. It will make a problem. The box is what gives you a different sizing for your screen. So let me show you. I'm going to drag this tab. So I'm going to be on my tab, and I drag this tab now into a completely new box. You'll notice that over here, I got rid of it. I'm actually in a separate tab. When I click on this box up in the upper right corner, it now becomes only part of a screen. If I do that, and I also do that to my Google Meet, I will have two screens. I will have two different tabs up. So I'm going to drag this also and hang it down here. Now you can see me, and I'm going up to the top to the little box in the corner, and I've got that smaller. And now you can see I've got all kinds of things on my screen. I've got myself in smaller place. That's a partial screen. Then you'll say, well, what happened to the other screen, that one that had the opening? Down at the bottom, which you cannot see, I've got that dismissed, but there are three tabs open, and I'm putting my cursor over top of my Google sign, the circle with the colors on it, and three of them will come up. Here's the other one. Now I've got two tabs open. This allows me to shrink one half of my screen. And so now, if I wanted this side on the right to become my speech, then all I'm doing is I'm looking across the way and I can still be seen. I hope that's helpful, and we'll see if you can make that all work. Okay, you can call me if you have any questions or email. Thanks.